Today we're going to be switching out the clutch, putting in high strength or heavy duty springs. Figure might as well change out the clutch while I'm in there switching out the springs. So here's a little video on it. Let's just start with cracking these bolts. Continue. She's loose. Oh, good thing I got that gasket, because she's a ripping. Alright. 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 A little messy, a little messy. Alright. Trying not to rip this, but it's not stuck in a few areas. Not for a reason, I got it going anyway. Alright, that's what I needed. That's what it looks like. 8,000 miles, a little over 8,000 miles. Let's get those plates out and see what they look like. Alright, those screws up. Just pop off. Wait. Wait, sorry, get rid of her. Alright. I'm gonna pop that off. Special tool. Okay. That's all that's holding that on, just the nut. Oh, and there's a washer in there. That says out. Outside. Either way. Oh. Alright, simple. Let's see. Got our springs that I'm replacing. These little fancy quincy. I got the heavy duty ones inside. I'll show you once I rip this apart. I'll continue taking this off. Put on the heavy duty springs. New clutch basket. Everything. Doesn't look like I need one, but I figured whatever. 35 bucks. Alright. And you got your little snap ring in here you're going to take out. Like that. Try not to lose it. Alright. New snap ring. That's all that really holds that in place. And you just pull this out. keep it intact so you can see here. Alright. Here's the washer behind there. That's what locks this in place. And leave that come on. Alright. Next, just want to show you one of these. See how worn it is or whatever. It's actually not that bad for 8,000 miles. I mean, I don't have anything to measure it, but it doesn't really look burnt or anything. Alright. Just take this all out in one piece. This side's out. Alright, and I have a whole new one of these. I'm not even gonna lie. From what I've seen on toasted clutches and all that, I feel like I can reuse this almost, but I'm not gonna. Alright, on to the next step. I'm gonna take the basket off here, which brand new. I'm doing this for the experience, honestly. It was cheap. I had it laying around forever. Figured why not do it. Alright, that washer comes off. Then this should slide right off. Alright, and that's your clutch basket. Barely any grooves because there is no power to this bike. Literally just marks. No grooves, no grooves. But I figured whatever. Replace it. I might actually reuse this basket. We'll see. Anyways, that was the basics there. Everything looks good. And I'm gonna come back to you when I install the heavy duty plate. Springs and the whole new clutch basket, all that.